Camau Sylfaen, Uned 25, Fideo 2, fersiwn y de. Dwi'n meddwl bod. As we have learnt, we can use dwi'n meddwl bod to express opinions about various things or people. Dwi'n meddwl bod Jane yn hapus. I think that Jane is happy. Dwi'n meddwl bod Jack yn drist. I think that Jack is sad. In English, the word that can be implied without having to include it in the sentence. But in Welsh, we must always include the word bod in sentences like these. Dwi'n meddwl bod Jan yn garedig. I think that Jan is kind. Cofiwch, mai and bod should not appear together in the same sentence. Bod replaces mai. Dwi'n meddwl, mae Jan yn garedig. Dwi'n meddwl bod Jan yn garedig. Dyma enghreifftiau eraill o bod. Here are other examples of bod. Dwi'n meddwl bod dy lun di'n lliwgar. I think that your picture is colourful. Dwi'n meddwl bod dy ganu di'n hyfryd. I think that your singing is lovely. Dwedwch ar fy ôl i. Dwi'n meddwl bod dy lun di'n lliwgar. Dwi'n meddwl bod dy ganu di'n hyfryd. Da iawn. Now, let's practice further sentences. This time, using bod to refer to y preswylwyr, the residents. Gwrandewch ac ailadroddwch. Dwi'n meddwl bod y preswylwyr yn hapus. I think that the residents are happy. Dwi'n meddwl bod y preswylwyr yn dawel. I think that the residents are quiet. Bendigedig. If we want to say, I think that they are happy, we use the following pattern. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod nhw'n hapus. Dwedwch ar fy ôl i. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod nhw'n hapus. Da iawn. Nawr, gwrandewch ac ailadroddwch eto. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod nhw'n dawel. I think that they are quiet. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod nhw'n ddoniol. I think that they are funny. Dwi'n meddwl ei bod nhw'n greadigol. I think that they are creative. Arbennig. Cofiwch, dych chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo yma eto I adolygu. You can now watch this video again to revise if you need to. Pob hwyl I chi.